Hello collective, welcome to Honest Tarot. Sana po ay naririnig nyo ako. So, tingnan po natin. Huwag pong pilitin kung hindi ka kasya. Okay. Better luck next time po. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate, bahala na po kayo. Alam nyo na po galawan. So, let's see. Sa energy po, wala po tayong gender. So, tsaka either way, maybe ikaw, taong connected sa'yo, or taong nasa environment mo. Environment mo. So, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin, collective. The Tower card, merong unexpected dito. Unexpected planning. May nagpaplano dito pumunta somewhere. Three of Fire, basta nagpaplano. Queen of Cups. Kung sino man tong nagpaplanong, ano ba tong plano na to? Five of Water. Ace of Earth. Merong unexpected na pagpaplano dito. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung sino to para sa'yo. With the Queen of Water. Kung sino man tong person na to, kasasabi ko lang po wala po tayong energy. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. So, kung sino man tong Queen of Water, napaka-emotion niya. Nag-ooperate siya out of emotion. Merong nagpaplano dito unexpected. Okay. Kasi hindi ko alam kung sad siya or very emotional siya, basta may emotion siya. Sensitive na sinasabi. So, kung sino man tong person na to nagpaplano siya, meron siyang pinaplano dito, unexpected. This is my unexpected card. And this is my planning card. Three of Wands. Meron lang siyang iniintay. Okay, meron lang siyang iniintay. This person is very emotional, very in touch sa emotion niya. Malungkot siya kaya siya nagpaplano to go somewhere. Yun lang nakita ko. With the Ace of Earth, new beginning. Ano pa? Tell me more. Three of Water. Three of Cups. Merong reconciliation dito. Okay. Or may nagpaplano to go somewhere. Okay. Para i-express how sad, i-express kung gaano kahirap or gaano kalungkot na ano, nawala nawala ka or nawala yung sitwasyon or wala ka sa sitwasyon or you are not there, hindi ka na nandoon. So, hindi ko alam kung friends to sa'yo, partnership to sa'yo, siblings or parents, I don't know. Pero merong new beginning dito, merong reconciliation with the Three of Water, merong reconciliation, merong new beginning na pwedeng pag-usapan na dito, dito, dito ang ano ko, dito na ang place ko ngayon or dito na ako nagtatrabaho. Kamusta ka? Basta reconciliation. Okay, merong reconciliation dito. Okay. Merong reconciliation na magaganap dito. And the Ace of Fire. Okay. Merong reconciliation na magaganap dito and pag marami kayong pag-uusapan, maraming magko-communicate dito ng mga new beginning, mga new ideas, okay? It's all about newness, okay? It's all about newness. May nagpaplano ditong mag-travel. This person is very sad without someone or ikaw ang sad without someone and you are planning to travel somewhere, okay? Collective. Tapos, merong reconciliation dito, talking about the new beginning and taking action about the new beginning. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. So, merong Four of Air. May naghihiling dito. Page of Earth. Ay message. Five of Fire. Merong conflicted. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang conflicted or someone is conflicted. Or maybe sa environment mo, merong conflicted. Okay. With the Page of Earth, ano to, messages to. Di ko alam kung makaka-receive ka ng messages regarding sa health, okay, or regarding sa nagmo-move on, or ikaw ang nag-message na I'm good, I don't know, basta yung nakikita ko dito. And someone is very conflicted about the communication, about you, healing yourself. Meron kang very conflicted. Grabe naman siya. Ang ano naman niya, ang bitter man niya. Maging masaya na lang siya sa'yo. Ewan ko kung sino yan. Ayun na nga. With the sun guard, conflicted siya. Tapos with the sun guard, pero happy ka lang. You don't bother. So, merong calling dito. Merong call. So, collective, sa nakikita ko dito, meron kang message about healing or someone knows na merong news kasi dito. News na you are healing. Okay. You are in a good position with the Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands and the Sun Guard. And someone is conflicted about the news and someone is conflicted about it. Okay. Expect some call. What is this call? Seven of Air. Okay, expect some call but this person is very sneaky. So, be careful. Kung meron man nagpaplano na pumunta, kung merong nagpaplano dito, may nagpaplanong makipag-usap sa'yo, this person is a liar, sneaky, kasi ang Seven of Air is a Seven of Swords, or maybe strategically lang. Okay. Kumukuha ng information sa'yo, collective. Okay. Or gusto lang makita kung anong kalagayan mo or something, pero in a sneaky way. Okay. What is the bottom of the deck? Messenger of Earth. So, meron ka ditong message regarding sa offer or regarding sa gift. Virgo, may gustong magbigay ng gift sa'yo or may gustong mag-offer sa'yo na labas tayo or kain tayo dito. Yung mga small things lang. Okay, basta meron ditong nagpaplanong mag-reconciliation. Okay, kasi merong emotionally conflicted dito. Tapos, merong news dito na you are healing or maybe someone is healing and merong hindi masaya doon sa healing part. Okay, na masaya ka or someone is masaya, merong conflicted doon. Merong person na conflicted. Expect some call. Umasa kang may tatawag, pero kung sino man yung tatawag, collective, very sneaky siya. Kumukuha lang siya ng information out of you. Kumukuha lang siya ng idea. And maybe, basta, very strategical. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice sa'yo, collective. What is the advice for my collective? Share your voice. Okay, come out into the cave. Persecution and expression. So, collective, you need to share your voice because someone needs it. People needs it. Kailangan ng tao yung voice mo. So, maybe labas ka ng konti into your comfort zone kasi may nangangailangan ng boses mo dito or nangangailangan ng advice mo. Or gusto kang makausap, gustong opinion mo or something. And another one is dance with life. Do something to change your energy. Okay, so if nagkukulong ka or introvert ka or something, nagcha-charge ka, just do something, watch something, manood ka or basta sumayaw ka, lumabas ka ng konti, kumain ka, basta yun lang. And Lemuria, creating heaven on earth, it's happening. So, meron kang new beginning dito, collective. Definitely meron kang new beginning dito. Kasi Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, the Sun Guard. You are creating something here and someone is pissed off. meron ditong hindi masaya regarding sa masaya ka at meron kang new beginning sa sarili mo. Okay. So, merong nagpaplano dito na makita ka. Okay. At saka merong tatawag sa'yo, but be careful kasi very snaky siya with the Seven of Swords. Get grounded. Empaths, highly sensitive, connect with nature. So, required sa'yong lumabas. So, okay, kailangan mo mag-connect sa nature. Collective, okay, kasi kung feeling drained ka, you need to hug a tree. Kailangan mo maglakad ng nakapaa sa damo. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Hindi ko alam kung empath ka or starseed ka or basta nakaka-attract ka ng mga negative people. Kasi yung energy mo ang empath kasi very empathic person, highly sensitive, nasisense mo yung energy once na pumasok ka sa isang kwarto. Alam mo agad, nasisense mo agad. Okay. Kung merong low vibrational energy kang nasasagap, you need to ground yourself. Collective, connect with nature. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. You need to connect with nature. What is the angel message number, please, for my collective? What is the angel message for my collective? 6, 2, meron kang joker. So, as I said, with the 7 of swords, be careful. Because merong trickster dito. Okay, be careful sa mga sinishare mong idea. You know better. Okay. 629. 629, Google mo siya. Collective. Maring makaresonate sa situation mo. So, yes, yan lang ang maihahain ko sa inyo, collective. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. So, yes, yun lang. See you on the next one. Bye, collective.